Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access the maintenance menu and guarded access. So first thing you want to do is click menu. You'll see a blank space right here. You're going to simultaneously hold these two. Hold them down. Sorry about the dirty fingers. Alright, so this is good that this happened right here. Okay, we're going to let it start. Now you cannot go into guarded access with the unit running, and I'm going to show you how to turn the unit off, because you can't just click off. So let's go again. So from the main menu, go to menu, and you're gonna hold down these two again. Sorry man. All right, there you go. Hold down these two. You see up there it'll say maintenance menu in a second. There we go, maintenance menu. Now to access guarded access, you scroll all the way till you see no blank, or when you see the blank space, and then you're gonna click these two, and it's not gonna let me do it because the unit is running. Okay, not available. Okay, so when you get this, we need to turn the unit off. So it's gonna take you all the way back, and then just follow the same procedure. Hold these two down. Oh my god, my fingers look horrible. What the heck? All right, go all the way, and you're gonna go where it says interface board test. You're gonna select this. This will cause the unit to shut down. And now this is important. You need to exit that screen, and then before the unit starts, you need to go and enter guarded access. So you hold these two down, and now it'll let you go in there. Guarded access. Boom. Now we can do programming features, configuration whenever you do like a new microprocessor. And then here you're able to clear certain alarms that you cannot do from the regular screen. Set up hour meters, sensor calibration if you're replacing a discharge air sensor or any calibrated sensor. Yep, that's how you enter guarded access. Hopefully it's worked. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe, like, share.